Good morning friends, welcome to QLC online video tutorial. This video is about a new feature introduced in FieldSense, multiple level expense approvals. First, we'll take a look at the current reporting structure. For this, log in using the admin credentials, go to the admin panel, click on reporting structure. As per the reporting structure, Sebastian is a sales representative reporting to the manager Susan, and Susan is a reporting to VP Amit Mashelkar. As of now, the expenses claimed by Sebastian can only be visible and approved by Susan, that is level 1. Suppose the VP, that is level 2, also wants to approve the expense. Then we can set the approval stages. For this, go to the account settings, click on expense approvals and add new level. You can see level 2 is added. Currently, there are two options. Either you can provide the access for approval or you can provide the access as a notification. That means a notification will be sent on the VP's mobile handset. We'll click on update. Expense settings updated successfully. Now we'll add an expense from Sebastian's mobile app. For this, I've already logged in the Sebastian's account. So I'll click on expense. I'll click on plus. I'll select the category as travel, expense head as metro, the amount as 50, and expense submitted successfully. Now we'll approve this expense by logging in Susan's ID, that is the reporting head. I have already logged in Susan's ID, so I'll take you directly to expense. You can see Sebastian Vestal expense is visible over here. Now we'll approve it. Once approved, it will be sent for second level approval, that is the VP Amit Mashelkar. It's successfully approved. Now I've already logged in the admin account, that is the VP's account. I'll click on expense. You can see the same expense which was claimed by Sebastian and approved by Susan is displayed in the VP's account, that is level 2 account. If I click on Sebastian and will approve, click on confirm. Once approved, this expense will go to its final stage of approval, that is on the accounts panel. You can see we'll click on the expense and will approve it. In case if the user, if we have selected the settings such as need to be notified, then a notification will be displayed on the Amit's cell phone. So this is the notification will be displayed. I have already logged in and taken the snapshot. You can see an expense which was claimed by Sebastian and is approved by Susan. It's clearly visible in the notification. Okay. In case of any further queries, feel free to write us on support@qlc.in. Thanks for watching.